see what Statistics for Action, or SfA, has to offer, go first to the SfA Materials page. Our workshops and activities are at the core of SfA because they engage everyone in learning and putting knowledge into action. Activities are grouped into 4 sections based on the typical process for dealing with environmental or health data and information: understanding, analyzing, assessing risk, and communicating. Most activities take about 20 to 30 minutes, so you can fit them into a meeting or a class, even if there are other things on the agenda. Each section has an overview showing how the different activities in that section connect to each other. Even though you don't need to do activities in any particular sequence, you can use activities together to help you address more complicated problems. The first section also comes with a set of useful fact sheets on common units and limits and levels that come up all the time in environmental reports. There are 3 90-minute workshops called A First Look At a particular topic. These workshops each help a community group explore a complicated topic and identify their priorities. The shorter activities then address some of the questions that might come up. For example, if the community is suspicious about claims being made about emissions, they can do the workshop, A First Look at Challenging Claims. If they realize from doing that workshop that the claims they want to challenge involve an average, they can follow up with the activity, Inside Averages. Each activity description gives a brief overview and suggests when you might use it. You can download the activity or just download the main participant handouts. Many of our activities also come with Spanish supplements with translated participant handouts and instructions. All the activities come with facilitator notes, instructions, and tips on how to adapt the activities for different situations. There are more details on that in another video. Statistics for Action also offers a set of guides on complex processes like air, soil, and water quality monitoring, and hazardous waste cleanup. These guides go over the testing process, give tips on interpreting the results, and let you know how the community can get involved. Most of our guides are also available in Spanish. Each guide is like a short magazine, grounded in community stories. Each one features a list of terms and definitions, and then coaches the reader on how to plan ahead, how to give input into the process, what test results look like, tips on how to interpret the results, how to publicize the results and take action, and links to further resources. On some pages, you'll see a box with a Statistics for Action icon. These have suggestions for other SfA resources you can use if you want to go deeper into that particular topic. Statistics for Action also has videos about various topics. About half of the videos are short and cover some common topic in environmental work, like parts per million, bioaccumulation, or health studies. There are also community stories, where we interview a person involved in an environmental campaign. They tell us how math and science became important in their struggle. The description for each video links out to other resources that relate to that community's environmental issue. Statistics for Action co-sponsored an issue of The Change Agent. It's a magazine full of stories, tips, information, and ideas. You can learn how people are dealing with situations like yours in other communities. Some articles are also available in Spanish. Finally, our website connects you with resources you may find useful on our Public Data and Regulations page. It's an online library with links to terminology, regulations, methodology, chemicals used by different industries, and so on. If something you're looking for isn't in our activities, guides, or videos, it's probably here. If all of this is making you feel overwhelmed, we also provide ways to navigate our site. Watch How Do I Find the SfA Resource That's Right for Me? Next.